this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have for you guys Ray-Ban Mega Wayfarer that I wanted to buy for a long time. So finally I have bought and they sent me here. So let me take this off from this side. Here we go. Wow. Should go as this Ray-Ban logo here. How beautiful this seal is from Ray-Ban. At the button here also written Ray-Ban, and quality of this material looks very premium. I have an old one that I have broken long time, so you can see exactly look the same here, material, whatever. Okay, so lovely. Let me take this off the button here and let's take this out. So all the things is inside here, the sticker from Ray-Ban, cotton, also the glass. So let's see what we have inside this one. Let me take this off from here. Pamphlets, you can say that 7-9 since 1937. More other information is written if you have time to read. And the cotton for clean, very handy. Ray-Ban written here, you can see, very good, great. Okay, and let's go to the glass itself. Lovely packaging. Then I take this off. Wow, beautiful here. So beautiful here. You see this plastic is covering this part. I take this off. So you can see shiny Ray-Ban logo here. Beautiful glass. I'll show you here. I feel something at my hand. High quality Ray-Ban is written. Sticker of Ray-Ban is polarized glass, that's why it's RB written here. If I'm not wrong, 2 dot for Mega Wayfarer in this case. Wow, beautiful. I feel quality at my hands. Wow, great. Let's see, here is written some number. You can see here is written Ray-Ban made in Italy. See the notch, the quality you can see here of this, not cheap product indeed in this case. Wow, beautiful. Look at this angle, you see is not straight, it's a little bit angled. So this is a design of Ray-Ban they have produced, very lovely. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.